In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a change order in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and land on the home page. We'll work inside the projects area because that's where job-specific activity and billing live. Open the left navigation and click Projects. If you don't see it at first, expand the menu. It's in the work or business section depending on your layout. Next, open the project that needs the change order. I'm selecting a sample project here, but you'll pick the one tied to your customer or job. Inside the project dashboard, look for the Add to Project button. This is your shortcut to create transactions that roll up to the project's profitability. Click Add to Project and then choose Invoice. In QuickBooks Online, the simplest way to issue a change order is to create an invoice that clearly labels the change and lists the additional scope, quantities, and pricing. This keeps the paper trail linked to the job and makes reporting straightforward. On the invoice form, your customer and project should already be filled in. If not, select the correct customer and make sure the project name appears beneath it. In the product or service column, click to open your item list and choose the appropriate item, such as services. You can use any item that fits your chart of accounts. The key is consistency, so your revenue is tracked correctly. Use the description field to spell out the change. Reference a change order number, date, and a brief summary of what's different from the original agreement. Then enter the quantity or hours and the rate or unit price for this change. Double-check the amount calculates as expected. If tax applies, verify the tax setting for this line. You can also add another line if the change includes multiple parts, like materials and labor. Review the invoice date, terms, and the message to customer. Many teams add change order in the message or at the top of the description to make it unmistakable. Confirm the project is shown under the customer name so everything ties back to the job. When everything looks right, click Review and Send. QuickBooks will show you a final preview. Give it one last look for accuracy, then send it to your customer or save it as a draft if you need internal approval first. That's it. Your change order is created, tracked inside the project, and ready for billing.